Good day, everyone. I'm Sarad Aldaal, and today I'll be sharing with you what I've learned from one of the sessions I recently attended about digital tools for education, specifically on using Google Workspace to enhance teaching and learning. Let me begin with a quick overview. Google Workspace is a collection of cloud based tools developed by Google that can be used in education for communication, collaboration, and productivity. It includes Gmail for email communication, Google Drive for storing and sharing files, Google Docs, Sheets and Slides for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, Google Meet for virtual classes or meetings, Google Classroom for managing classwork and student submission, and today's focus, Google Forms, a tool used to create quizzes, surveys, and data collection forms. All of these tools work together to create a more interactive, organized, and efficient learning environment. Among these, Google Forms stood out to me because of its versatility in creating assessments, gathering feedback, and engaging students. In this demonstration, I will show you how to create a quiz using Google Forms that can be used in your classroom, whether online or face to face. Okay, just click for a new tab and put the link of the Google form, and then after you browse your link, this is uh, the the design that you are going to start with. Okay, so if you're going to make a quiz, let's click the blank quiz. Okay, so after you logging in with your account, either your personal account, okay, it's up to you what you are going to use in the Google account by logging in this Google form. Okay, so for your quiz, you can put a title of the quiz. Example, okay, I'm going to put the quiz about Philippine history. Okay, Philippine history quizzes or quiz. Okay, and then put instruction for them to understand what they are going to do for this quiz. Okay, example, instruction. Okay, choose the correct answer of each question. Okay, so for you to be able to start, you can click directly for the untitled question for your one question. Okay, example, who is the Philippine national hero? Okay, so after that, you have to you are going to customize if it is multiple choice, it is a paragraph answer. So it's up to you. Okay, if I am going to click the short answer, you can provide also the answer key, who is the Philippine national hero. Okay, example, add a correct answer. So it could be Jose Rizal. Okay, not just only one, you can also put another correct answer. Maybe those students just answer Rizal. Okay, example. Okay, another one is it could be GP result. It is up to you of if how long. Okay, how long is the correct answer? Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so next is you are going to click done. Okay, if after that you are going to click this required button if before they will proceed to another question. Okay, so for you to be able to add another question, just click the plus button here. Okay, add question. Then number two, you can also add what is the capital city of the Philippines? Okay, you can customize if it is multiple choice, paragraph, short answer, and then by this question, I am going to use the multiple choice just for your example or as your basis. Example, um, okay, for you. Okay, so another option you can add other. Okay, or either you can add here directly add option. Okay, example with that. Like that. Okay, you can add also the correct answer. Just click the circle button and then this will be the correct answer. And then click done. Okay, by the way, you are going to put how many points they will receive, either 1 point, either 2 points in every question. It's up to you. Okay, example. So let's go back with the question number 1. Okay, just click the answer key and then add points. Every question there is a 1 point. It's up to you if it is 1 or 2. Okay, then after that, so when it is required na. Okay, so let's add another question. Okay, number 3. You can also add another question. What is the uh, what is the impact of Okay, so let's just say it is essay example. Okay, let's put a long answer text for them to be able to make an essay. Okay, you can add also an instruction here by clicking or by having a parenthesis if it is 5 sentences or either six sentences. So it's up to them. Okay, so you can add also answer key. So for this question, I will rather not to put the correct answer. Proceed to add another section. Okay, example, for the another section, it could be part 2 of their test paper. Okay, example, part 2 of their quiz, part 2. And then instruction here, put any instruction. And then you are going to put add question. Okay, so here they can you can customize anything that you want from the multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, check boxes, drop down. So it's up to you. Or either it is an evaluation. Example, a linear scale. Okay, so example, how rate the teacher. Okay, example, rate the teacher. Okay, either 1 to 5. Okay, label the number 1 as dissatisfied or unsatisfied, and then satisfied. Okay, so it's up to you of how you are going to use this linear scale. It is for evaluation or it is for the quiz or part of the quiz. Okay, you can also add rating. So this is a new feature of the Google form, the rating or the rating scale. Okay, it's up to you of how you are going to use that. It's either 5, either a very good from poor to very good or the excellent one. It's up to you of how you are going to use that one. Okay, you can also add another here. Okay, example, add another question and then you are going to customize by adding images. Okay, you can click insert images here. Okay, so by photos, we can put photos here. I think there is a lot of photos that we can provide. Okay, example, this one, I can provide this photo, then insert. Let's just say there is a maximum allowed resolution of the file. Okay, example, this one. Okay, you can add that image. Okay, so adding images, you can use that. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your participation and listening for the demonstration of how you are going to make a quiz in using a Google form. Then you can publish this file, okay, publish the file and then manage who can see the link for the quiz. Okay, then you can either restrict it or and then if one of the quiz, then you can add your students now and then answer publish. So it's